What's up everyone? This is the Fifine H3 gaming headset. Fifine was kind enough to send this out to me to unbox and review. First things first, I'll say the packaging is very minimal to the point where I was afraid that I was sent a used unit. It does have a very sturdy construction and has a decent amount of weight to it. One of the cool things about this headset is that it has a detachable microphone, which makes it that much easier to transport. It has a separate 3.5mm connection for both the microphone and headset, and it has a USB connection for the wonderful RGB accents on the side of the headphones. While it isn't controllable, it could appeal to someone that might stream as added flair. Putting it all together is pretty straightforward and not that difficult. The ear cups are very large and quite supple. You should be able to wear these for an extended period comfortably, although I would keep in mind you could get hot and might sweat eventually. The upper headband is the same. It has excellent cushioning to support this thing. And of course, these are adjustable, so they should fit just about anyone. They're flexible enough that you can pop one side off to listen for the background around your home if needed. Overall, for budget headphones, these are pretty good. I was actually surprised by the microphone sound quality, especially given that it's detachable. So the sound quality on this is actually pretty good. I've only enabled a couple filters.